Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to depuff your eyes with a cold spoon. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video, okay? So if you want to depuff your eyes with a cold spoon, this is the video for you. It's a tutorial video. I'll literally be going over two very easy steps for getting this done. The first thing, and obviously you need a spoon. It can be a bigger spoon, it can be a smaller spoon. It doesn't really matter. I have a pretty big spoon here, but you can use a smaller spoon and it'll be totally fine, okay? So essentially, the first thing you want to do is you want to chill the spoon in the freezer for a few minutes. So take your spoon, put it in the freezer, and chill it in the freezer for just a few minutes. You don't want to do it for like 10 minutes, nothing like that. A few minutes, like literally 3 minutes in the freezer is more than enough. You don't want it to be really, really freezing cold. You just want it to be like cold enough. So chill the spoon in the freezer for a few minutes, okay? The next thing that you want to do, step number 2, is remove the spoon from the freezer and then gently press it against your under eye area for a few minutes as well. Once again, for each eye, for each under eye area, you're looking at about 3 minutes. So chill it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then take it out of the freezer and press it against your under eye area for a few minutes as well, just like this. Gently, nothing crazy. Gently. And the good thing about the spoon is that it's round, so you can kind of roll it to sort of get it to be the exact way that you want it to be. Just like this. So you can get it to be like, instead of only pressing over here, I can roll it and it'll get all the way up to where I want it to go. That's the benefit of using a spoon. It will allow you to basically get all the way up to where you want to go to. If you use something flat, it's going to stop right here, like it's going to press against here. But when you roll the spoon, when you roll a curved thing, it allows you to go up a little bit like that. Just like that. Very, very simple, okay? You can also do it with 2 spoons and you get both of them, but I like to do it with 1 spoon and, just essentially work your way back and forth. Now, if it's too cold, if it's too cold, you can put it in the freezer for less time, or you could just, go briefly and take it off, just like that. Work with your own tolerance, obviously. But essentially, you're going to chill a spoon in the freezer for a few minutes, and then take that chilled spoon and then rub it against your under eye area and roll it against your under eye area for another few minutes as well, for each eye. And that should depuff your eyes, okay? So once again, the title and topic of this video was, I was showing you and telling you specifically how to depuff your eyes with a cold spoon. And it was a tutorial, and hopefully you enjoyed it. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, and you get rid of your puffy eyes in no time at all. And that is truly, and hopefully you liked the video. I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.